I believe in you,
Oh Lord,
release your power. Oh, in my heart, Lord, manifest your power in my life, oh Lord. Oh, I believe, Lord. I believe in your name. To them that believe it, you gave them power to become the son of daughter of the Lord. I believe, Lord. I believe in your power, Lord. To them that believe it, you gave them power to become the son and the daughter of the Lord. Yes, I believe. I believe. I believe, Lord. I believe in your Jesus, Lord. To them that believe it, you give them power to become the son and daughter of the Lord.